Have you ever tried to copy paste data from Yahoo Finance into Excel? When you try this and then you go to Excel and you press Ctrl B for paste, you always get this data set like this. But how to get it in the appropriate columns like it shows in Yahoo Finance? Well, I just created this very quick application using AI in which you can browse a file, and let's say that that's the PDF that you can generate from Yahoo Finance, and then in seconds it will turn this into an Excel file. So you can download this and then open it, and it will be basically just your data set in the appropriate columns that you need. Looks like this. As you can see in this Excel, now in here, we have all the columns that we need for all of the accounts, but as well, the 4 different or 5 different dates that we need. So how exactly I did this, and how can you also do it using AI? Well, let me walk you step by step. Now, the very first thing that you need is to go to an LLM, on a large language model. For this, I chose ChatGPT, but you can also try the same thing with Gemini or Copilot. Now, in here, I just tell it to give me code for a Streamlit application where the user can upload a PDF and it converts the data into an Excel file. As you can see, it gave me the code in here. And the thing that I need to do is to copy this code and then to paste it into GitHub. So GitHub is an application where you can upload your own code, and it's completely for free. So I have this already set up in these folders of like apps and fun, and then basically I pasted the code into here. Now what you can see in this code is that at first it's importing different libraries like Streamlit, PDF Plumber, Pandas, and so on. It creating this function to extract the tables from PDF, and then to save the tables into an Excel file. And then in here, we just change the name of the title of the application. Now you can change each one of these components in here, but you can also leave it just like that with the code generated by ChatGPT. Now the next thing that I ask it is for the requirements file. Now this file is basically just the names of the different Python libraries that we will be needing for this task. So it's typically called requirements, and then I put it .txt. So I just need to copy these 4 words, and again into GitHub, I added it into the folder of fun as requirements text. Now, I will show you exactly how to do it as well. So let's say that I won't have this file here. I'll just need to go to add file, create new file, and then either type or copy paste the title from ChatGPT, and then you can add it into here, requirements.txt. And basically same thing with these ones in there. Now I will call these requirements 2 because we already have one, and we just do commit changes and then commit changes again. Now as you can see, now this file is already generated in here. Now after this, what you will need to do is to go to Streamlit and then go to create app. Then deploy a public app from GitHub. And let's say that I had that one in this folder called apps, and again in the one PDF to data.py. And then in here, I can add a name for the actual URL. So PDF to text finance. And then I'll just click deploy. Now for this, you will also need a Streamlit account, but again, this account is also for free. I'll share with you at the bottom of this video the exactly how to do an account for both GitHub and Streamlit, but they are both very easy and free. Now, as you can see, now it's generating exactly the same thing that I had on the other one that I was already creating. And now I'll be basically in here, can browse a file on PDF and it will be converted into Excel. Now the last bit is like in Yahoo Finance itself, how do you convert this into PDF? Well, the easiest way is to right click and then go to print and then just save in here just the second page that would be the one with the data into PDF. So I click save and then I just save that particular into a PDF file that you can see here. And then that's the PDF file that you can use on this application that I have created, and then it will turn it into Excel. Now, I'll be sharing with you also the link of this application, but again, as I just showed you, it's very easy for you to build one as well. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. I'll be showing you how to create more different applications and also how to use AI and Python for finance and FP&A. See you next time.